You will often see ratios between two quantities, but it's also possible to create ratios among more than two quantities. Let's look at some examples. Here is a collection of multicolored lollipops. There are different numbers of red, blue, green, yellow, and orange lollipops. The ratio of green to blue is 1 to 3. The ratio of blue to yellow is 3 to 4. We can combine the ratios into one, the ratio of green to blue to yellow. And this is written as 1 to 3 to 4. In this form, it captures three ratios: 1 to 3, the ratio of green to blue; 3 to 4, the ratio of blue to yellow. But it also captures 1 to 4, the ratio of green to yellow. As you can see here, there is 1 green and 4 yellows. Here's another example. The ratio of green to orange lollipops is 1 to 2. The ratio of orange to yellow is 2 to 4. The combined ratios are 1 to 2 to 4. We can also work backward. Look at the following ratio. One to 6 to 4. What three colors of lollipops fall into this ratio? You can see that the ratio of green to red is 1 to 6. And the ratio of red to yellow is 6 to 4. So the ratio 1 to 6 to 4 is green to red to yellow. This combination of several ratios in one can be found in many applications. A common one is recipes. Many recipes use flour, sugar, and milk in different proportions. Let's say that a recipe had this for the ratio of flour, sugar, milk. One to 1 to 2. Flour, sugar, milk. What does this mean? For every 1 cup of flour, you would use 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of milk. If you were using this recipe to make enough for a large number of people, you would use more flour, sugar, and milk, but the ratio of these ingredients would need to be kept in the 1 to 1 to 2 ratio in order to follow the recipe properly.